If you're thinking about a new home heating and cooling system, we know there's a lot riding on your decision. There's your comfort, your safety, and then there's your wallet. Well, we know that finding the right system at a price that works for you is no easy task. That's why our energy-efficient home heating and cooling systems not only cost less to run, but they'll also lower your utility bills. And using less energy to heat and cool your home is not only good for your pocket, but it's also good for the environment. We're the coolest guys around and the hottest prices in town.